Ninth class student, exercise 2.5, question number 7. 7 is find the square. First part is 99 cube. Use of suitable identity. We write at first the identity a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a into b bracket a minus b. Write the question 99 cube. 99 cube, write this form: 1100 minus 1. Write the 99. A will be 100, B is 1. 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1, 100 minus 1. Remove the power. 1, 4, 6 minus 1 minus 3, 100, 100 minus 1. 1, 6, 0. 1, 6, 0 minus 1. 300 multiplied by 3 with 40. Minus minus plus. 300 1 ja 300. 1, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0. Minus 0, 0, 1. After minus will be cube of 99. Minus 9, 9, 2, 1, 6, 300 upon 1, 0, 0, 3. 9, 9, 2, 0, 7 and 9. 9, 7, 0, 2, 9. Complete the first part. Second part is 100. 102, write the plus form. So 100 make be 102 make is equal to 100 plus 2. This identity with plus 100 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into 100 into 2, 100 plus 2. Remove the power. 100 multiply by 100 into 100. 2 cube is 8 plus 3 2 is 6, 600, 100 plus 2, 1 with 6 0 plus 8 multiply by 6 with 4 0 plus 6 2 is 12 00. After plus 1 6 0 with 8 plus 6 with 4 0 2 3 4 6 1 2 00 8 0 2 1 6 0 1 1 0 6 1 2 0 8 will be cube of the 102. Third part is 7th question, third part. 98 cube. 98 cube will be 998 will be make the minus identity. We write the 1000 minus 2 is equal to A will be 1000 and B will be 2. So write the value 1000 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into 1000 into 2 1000 minus 2. Remove the power 1000 1 with 90 minus 2 cube is 8. After multiply 6,000 1000 minus 2. After 1 with 90 minus 8 minus 6 with 60 minus minus plus 6 2 is 12 30. After plus minus 1 3 और 2 5 तो 4 0 1 2 minus 6 with 6 0 तो 5 0 8. After minus 2 9 9 1 1 1 with 9 digit 3 4 5 4 1 2 000 6 with 5 digit. After minus 2 9 9 1 1 4 9 9 9 तो 999 4192. Thank you.